Wrong way.
What do you mean?
There you go.
Whoa. I'm gonna move it too. Slingshot thing.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, you can help.
Oh. Yeah. Okay. Let's get this. Okay, I think I'm gonna try the pterodactyl. Like that. Got me? That went too low. Let's do this one now. I'm not a very good slingshotter at those things. So let's move on. Ooh. We can do this one next. Mommy, help. What, Mommy? I think you basically stick these onto the wall. Thing off. Whoa. Okay, let's do it.
You piece.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go. Whoa. Sticky. Ah.
Whoa. Those are really sticky.
Yeah, they are. Let's move on now. Ooh. Let's do the ninjas next. Let's do these things next. The blue ninja. I choose you. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Whoa!
Sticks on.
Wow, he's really sticking on there, isn't he?
I don't think it comes off. Let's try these other two. It's always been my dream to stick on at the same time. They've never did. So maybe now is my chance for it to do that. Oh, yay! Oh, booyah! Yay!
Wow!
Yay!
All three of them in a triangle.
That's cool.
Cool.
I like the triangle thing.
High five. Awesome.
Okay.
You want a high five? Oh, well, you got candy, but high five.
Okay. Ready? Let's open up this locker.
Oh, wait, you gotta tell them what they are. They probably
Let's open up this. These are locker jars. Let's see what they have. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. We got it.
Here,
Oh, no.
give me your garbage. I'll take that.
Okay. I'll go clean up this one. Okay. We got a little locker. Maybe that's why they call it lock stars. Ooh, what's this?
I think, is that the key?
Whoa.
So I don't know how much we missed, but these are lock stars. It was a little surprise for Cam. And he opened one up so far. It is this guy.
We got a little.
And
We got the keys.
he comes with these keys. And it comes with, I don't know what these little things are, but these are like little charms or something.
We got a little thing.
Oh, I think they go in there. I don't know.
Oh yeah, they do.
But you gotta unlock the thing with the key.
Yeah.
So I don't know if like something comes inside of it or what.
Whoa. We
Okay.
did unlock it. Whoa, what is What's in there?
Is that was that unlocked then? Was that the unlocking part?
Yeah.
Like that little. Oh.
It doesn't come with anything. It's just
I think.
fun.
Was this inside the belly of it though?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's what that was for. It was like a little.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Okay, let's move on.
Okay, you can open a.
Here's another monster
them all
one,
together.
kids. Let's open this up.
There you go.
There's a little extra spare key.
Yeah.
Oh! There's another thing.
What?
I don't know. Maybe that's what the extra spare key's for.
Oh, there's yours for that one right there on the floor. There, see, if you would slow down a little bit, you would see all these little cool things. There's a purple. There's your.
I'm just gonna use a blue key for it.
I don't know if will it work for that?
Yeah.
It does? Oh, okay. Ooh, maybe. You gotta put the purple key in there probably.
No. Whoa. Okay.
It has nothing?
Nothing.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Maybe the surprises are not so
Wait.
much a surprise.
Yeah. Maybe.
Huh.
Oh, maybe this came in from inside here.
Oh, maybe we just gotta slow down a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is cool, though.
Yes. Okay.
Where did this come from?
That came from this one. You gotta unlock this one. I think. Okay, yeah, see, look, he has something in there.
Yeah.
This guy does. You gotta unlock him.
Yeah. Let's unlock him.
Okay.
Because he's purple.
There you go. Cool! Oh, it dropped out. It's right down here.
It's an eye.
It's an eye. Oh my goodness.
That's cool.
Pretty cool. There's 2 more.
Then we're done.
2 more and we're done.
Okay, let's open this taco one. This is basically cool.
Basically, it's super cool.
Why do you not like tacos? It takes them like 2 hours to finish them. I don't. Okay, let's just move on. Oh, damn it.
There's your surprise one. Oh, cute little eyeball guy.
Hello.
Nothing in there?
Oh.
Okay. I think you gotta pull it out the other way, buddy.
Uh,
Yeah, because of string. Yeah. Yep, pull. Good deal.
got a little lime.
A what?
Lime.
Oh, lime. Oh, cute little lime. He's tiny.
Let's put this thing in here. So cute little eyeball guy. Where's that? Okay, there.
What?
I'll help.
You help
Hold
him?
on. Now, what's in here? Let's use the little pink
I have
key
you.
first.
Open it. I'll help you open it. I'll help you. I'll help you. I'll help you open it.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
Let's use the green bunny key.
What's
Little green bunny. Down. Ooh.
I'll put this
Little
down.
bottle.
I think it's hot sauce. Is it hot sauce?
Let's see.
It's probably supposed to be hot sauce.
Maybe.
For a taco.
Oh.
So these are all little cute charm things that you can put on the back of your shoes.
Yeah. Or your back. Yeah, you put them on your backpack.
Yep. For Cam's sake, he can put them all on his backpack and stuff. And these ones, they're actually things that like hook on, Cam, so they won't fall off your backpack like the other ones were. But these little things will come out, so you got to be careful.
Yeah. That. Yeah. Let's get. Oh.
Yeah.
Good job, Eden. Oh, me trying.
Oh. Gotta take this
Uh-oh.
thing out.
My dragon.
They're still sticking?
Oh my god.
That's cool.
They're still up there.
That's cool.
That is cool.
Haha.
You need help, buddy? You got him. Oh, look at him. He's a little taco guy, isn't he? What is he?
I don't know what he is, but what is he?
Oh, I think he's like a carrot.
Oh yeah, he is. Except his leaf is upside down. His leaf is upside down. Oh, he comes with a little ding 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 ribbon. There's a little ribbon.
Open it.
Oh, no, let Cammy do it.
I'll help it open it.
Okay.
Put it in
Oh, there's a little tomato. Okay, where's
Is
the
it
key?
taco?
Right here.
Is sweet taco?
Trying to get
That's sweet
There's
taco.
a little yellow one too. It's cool. Here's the blue one for now.
Oh, open it.
Okay.
Mommy. I'll open it. I'll help
Oh,
you.
it fell out.
Huh?
What is it?
Boat.
What?
Oh, you bit the boat. It's a little bitten boat.
Oh, cute. So those are like little charms.
Yeah, they are a little charm.
You can make like a little bracelet or stick them on your backpack. Those are cool.
Yeah, they are.
Little guy. He's got a little horn on him. Wow, Cam. Got a lot of cool stuff, man.
I have
Yeah,
it.
we did. Guys, just to let you know, you can find all of these toys at Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.